Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Kanchan here, your English teacher. This time I have taken the topic invitations and replies. So first, what is invitation? Invitation is a kind of form personal notice sent individually to people, and these are in two types. First is formal and second is informal. So it can be in the form of card format, it can be in the informal letter and formal letter. So in both we can write, means card or letter. So here a few rules are there for that. So like here, this is card format. First institution's name, or you can say host name, whether it is institution or any person. Then here takes pleasure in inviting, then a noted hockey player, then its name, his name, and grace the occasion of its sports day. So here, and the other detail means name of the place where the function is supposed to be happen, and then date, and then time, and then RSVP here. So it is the format of card format. While we write it in a formal way, so we follow the format of formal letter writing like this. Subject will be there. So few points are to be noted. First is here formal phrase of invitation. For example is there. First, name of the host will be there, then name of the invitee, then formal phrase like request the pleasure, then solicit your gracious presence. So we have to include that, and then auspicious occasion we have to mention, then date, time, and venue of the event, and then we have to write RSVP to the left side. Now these are written in the third person. So the formal invitations are written in the third person, and the name of the chief guest must appear, and name of the invitee is not to be there, and address is to be written, and then simple present tense is to be used, and when we are saying about the function to be happen, so we can use future also. The date of writing not to be given. So date of writing is not to be written. No signature will be there. The abbreviation RSVP will be there, and then put invitation in a box, and word limit will be of 50 words. Come to the format of informal letter writing. While we write informal letter writing, we write it in an informal way and the first person. So it is written in the first person. Salutation is dear plus name, and then complimentary like yours sincerely will be there. Date of writing, the invitation is given, and then sender's address appears on the left side. So here when we write replies for the invitation, so formal words like kind invitation, great, pleasure, regret, what if you are not able to reach there, आप नहीं पहुंच सकते हैं, आप उस ओकेजन में नहीं जा सकते हैं, तो आपको वहाँ पे you will have to write regret. Use third person. So use third person they instead of the first person, I we. Then address of the writer and the date to be written. So while we reply in formal letter writing, formal replies we use third person instead of first person, and replies informal में we use first person. So keep mention that while we are replying the invitation, अब हम किसी इन्विटेशन को रिप्लाई कर रहे हैं, और अगर हम फॉर्मल रिप्लाई कर रहे हैं, फॉर्मल इन्विटेशन का रिप्लाई कर रहे हैं, तो वी हैव टू यूज़ द थर्ड पर्सन इंस्टेड ऑफ फर्स्ट पर्सन. बट अगर हम इनफॉर्मल के लिए रिप्लाई कर रहे हैं, तो वी हैव टू यूज़ फर्स्ट पर्सन. वी कैन यूज़ आवर इमोशंस ऑल्सो. See the first one example. The literary club of your school is putting up the play Waiting for Godot. As secretary of the club, draft an invitation inviting the famous writer Sandeep Gupta. So here you have to write down. So I have taken here formal letter writing. So first we will mention sender's address. See here. Then date, alphanumeric way. Then here Mr. Sandeep Gupta, his name. Then subject and means receiver's name and address. Then subject and then it is letter of invitation. Formal invitation. See here. While we write acceptance. Yes, I am agree. I will come. And then if we are replying the invitations, then if we are sure, then we will use. If we are writing formal reply, तो फॉर्मल रिप्लाई में हम थर्ड पर्सन यूज़ करेंगे. ये नहीं कि हम लोग फर्स्ट पर्सन. थर्ड पर्सन में दैट ही विल नॉट बी एबल टू रीच ड्यू टू द या ही फील्स रिग्रेटफुल. इस तरह से वी हैव टू रिप्लाई. तो दिस इज़ द फॉर्मेट ऑफ रिप्लाई एंड वी डोंट यूज़ फर्स्ट पर्सन इन फॉर्मल. Keep it in mind that we don't write I or we means first person. In formal reply we use third person. And put your invitation or replies in a box. Okay students, thank you and Jai Hind.